Hello everyone, Toni here from My Leisure Home. As you can see, I'm currently stood down at our showground here on the Skegness seafront. Just behind me, we have a stunning 3-bedroom holiday home. This is central heated and double glazed and priced at just $19,997. This is the ABI Summerbreeze. It's a 36 by 12-foot holiday home, and we'll go have a wander around it now. So this is the ABI Summerbreeze. As mentioned, it is a 36 by 12-foot holiday home. This particular model can be sited on a choice of parks in the heart of Ingoldmells, just a 2-minute walk from the beach and all of the local attractions. This can also be sited on the Willows, which is in Skegness. This is an 8-month holiday park with site fees of only $2,500 for the full season. So I'm just going to take a step inside so we can have a look around. So here we are then. This is the ABI Summerbreeze. As you can see, as we come into the holiday home, it's a lovely open plan living space. You come into a lovely brown vinyl flooring, perfect for if you've got pets or children. You won't get the carpets mucky. As you can see, we do have a carpet protector down at the moment, and this is just to protect it whilst it is on our showground. But you have the fixed corner seating just to the left, which does house a pull-out bed just underneath. Lots of windows in here, letting in all that natural light and letting it bounce around the room. You have a gas fire just to the right with a place to pop your TV just next to that. As you can see, there's sockets and an aerial point just behind, and of course your mirror above. Over here then, you have your dining table. We do have the extra stool, but that is also fixed seating and seats 4 people. As mentioned, it is a double glazed and central heated holiday home, so you do have radiators throughout as well. So moving into the kitchen then, you have a storage cupboard just as you come in on your right hand side. Your under counter fridge freezer, plenty of worktop space in here and lots of cupboard storage. You've got your gas hob just there and cooker below, and then your stainless steel sink over this side. Lots and lots of space in here and lots of light. So we'll go through to the back of the holiday home then, which is closed off through a separate door. We'll go straight into the master bedroom first, where you have this nice double bed. There is plenty of room in here. I'm just going to come round this side so I can pan round and show you. You've got fixed wardrobes, and then you have a vanity shelf and mirror just above over there. This is a 3-bedroom holiday home, so you do have 2 guest bedrooms in this one. So I'll take you to the first one, which is at the very end of the holiday home. As you can see, you have 2 single beds, mirror and plug socket just on this side. You have a table just between the beds there, and on this wall here you have a fixed wardrobe. You are able to mount a TV should you wish to the wardrobe as well. We'll go into the second of the guest bedrooms now. This one's slightly bigger than the last. As you can see, you have your 2 single beds again, bedside table in the middle, and I'll pan round and you can see you've got your full length wardrobe in this one, mirror, plug socket and radiator just on that back wall there. And again, you are able to wall mount a TV just here should you wish. Another great thing about this one then, all of the beds in here are freestanding, which means should you wish to remove any of the single beds, you are able to do so with ease. Just across the hallway then, we have your toilet. This is separate from your shower room. So you have, again, your radiator, your toilet. Just in here is your boiler cupboard, and then you have your mirror on the wall and your sink basin just below. And then a little bit further down the hallway, we have your second bathroom. So this has, as you can see, lots of shelving going all the way down on this wall, plenty of storage. Toilet, sink basin with mirror just above, and this huge end shower with lots of room in there. And as you can see, there's also some shelving inside the shower as well, which is great. Lots of room in here. So this is the ABI Summerbreeze. This has recently been reduced in price to just $19,997. As mentioned, it can be sited on a few parks in Ingoldmells or on the Willows in Skegness. If you'd like any more information on this holiday home, please reach me on 01754 252 877, or you can contact me at toni@myleisurehome.co.uk. Thanks for watching.